If you also want to start a podcast like Milk and Lettuce, maybe make one even more refined than I do, I highly recommend going to anchor.fm. It's free. You do not need to pay them anything. You can have them publish it. They do have it on Apple, Google, Spotify, and others. You can just hit auto distribute and let them take care of the rest. That's what I did. That way I don't have to worry about any of all that. Yeah, words can be hard. But yeah, it's totally free. You can make money. There's no minimum listenership required. There's many different tools all right there. Download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. And please send me your podcasts. I would love to listen to them. Thank you so much. Thank you to you, the listener, and to Anchor FM for being the new home to Milk and Lettuce. Hello, you're listening to Milk and Lettuce. I'm Isaac, the host that will lose their train of thought about every 5 seconds. So I don't expect this one to be a very long episode. Basically, I'm just gonna kind of gripe about what's going on. So I've made mention of this before in my streams. I don't think I've said anything in my podcast. I might have in passing, basically, but I had to make sure that the microphone setting was accurate. Anyway, so what's been going on is there's a lot of construction where I live. They have the entire street ripped up. They have the the water pipes totally removed. They have temporary water pipes in the meantime. All of our trash cans are way the fuck moved. They said they were going to move the post boxes, but they have not. We have those standing big ones with the multiple boxes in them. It's like a wall that looks like P.O. boxes sort of deal. But so yeah, we have this all going on. My internet and cell phone signals have been cut out a lot. That said, I really hope that I don't lose my connection. Yeah. So we have very limited resources and available currently surrounding us. That said, because they have not moved the postal boxes, the post office employees have been unable to reach the boxes. So we have not gotten our mail in a week. There's packages that were meant to be delivered, apparently. I don't know where they're from. One was from my car insurance company that decided to cancel me. That's a story for another day. Oh, look, I'm losing signal. Amazing. Go figure. But yeah, so I've been very, very annoyed with this because, like I said, we've gotten no mail in a week. And they've lost some of my mail, apparently. I've had 6 letters, because I have informed delivery. 6 letters that were supposed to be delivered between Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Alone. I didn't get mail earlier in the week. But the driver, he's like, yep, there's 2 small packages and a magazine and 1 mail piece. Like, I don't know what that magazine is. I don't give a shit either. But one mail piece out of 6. Where's the rest of my fucking mail? Like, so not only were y'all not delivering my mail, you lost it. So that's cool. The woman at the post office, when I called, she's like, well, it should be there later today, and if you don't get it all, then just call me back. And it's like, okay, I will. She did not seem happy when I said that. Like, the conversation was like, there was no like hostility from me. I can pretend to be nice sometimes. But yeah, like, when she said, call me back if you don't get all your mail, and I said, okay, I will. She did not like that. I don't know why. It's like, maybe just have all my mail delivered and I shouldn't have to call you. There's no reason why normal people have to call the post office unless something fucking happened. Like, I don't know. You didn't deliver mail. Like, fun fact, every single unit has an old mailbox affixed to the building. So it's like, you could just walk alongside the buildings and put the mail in our mailboxes that we used to have. Like, they're still there. They are technically usable. And you don't have to go to that P.O. box wall. Just, it's like, there's accommodations. That's the word. You know, there's accommodations. Use them. Either way, it just kind of frustrates me when if there's a way for you to do your job and you don't do your job, like, oh my god, my connection is suffering, and I'm not sure if this mic is picking up the construction sounds outside. At least they're not throwing fucking dirt and mud at my air conditioner anymore. Because I'm an air conditioner on the 2nd story window. And they were throwing dirt and mud directly at my fucking apartment. Directly at my window and my air conditioning unit. So yes, I also just realized this is random as hell, but I've said unit more times in this podcast than I probably have said in the rest of the week. It's not a word I use often, but yes, I have said the word unit a lot. I'm not sure why. Random as hell. Anyway, yes. I want my fucking mail, man. Like, not my mailman. I want my fucking mail. Damn it. Like, I'm not asking much. I'm just asking. Oops. Like, just asking for the post office to give me my fucking mail. Like, I thought that was their job. A fun fact about the mail, I have not received anything from the IRS. I filed my taxes on February 27th. They were approved, finally, on the 3rd of March. Or not approved, my bad. Accepted on March 3rd. They were accepted on March 3rd. And today is June 8th. Oh, but the fuck? No. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, so I pay my rent through a check option. I use Chime. You can have Chime mail a check, which, come to think of it, how long has it been since I fucking did that? Oh my god, when did I pay my rent? I don't know when I paid my rent. Is that right? May 20th. May 20th is when I last paid my rent. Again, today's June 8th. June 8th. And mind you, I paid my rent on May 20th because I finally got my state refund. I've not got my federal, and I've not got my stimulus check whatsoever, which is wonderful. And they have not mailed me any that I know of. They haven't sent anything, according to the post office, stating why they are holding my refund. But yes, it's been 3.5 months almost since I filed, and they won't give me anything at all. And not even an explanation why. But yeah, I got a notification from Chime stating that my check had been cashed. So that means they got the check. So like so yeah, mind you, the office to my housing complex is right across the street from me. So they got their mail apparently. But nobody who lives here has gotten their fucking mail. Except for the office. Which is funny because the office has mailed me something apparently, and I will not get that. Because apparently it's fucking lost. So anyway, yes. I'm just kind of ranting about this shit. Because apparently there's excavators that blocked the mailboxes or something, and they said they were going to move the mailboxes, but have not. So yeah, I'm just kind of pissed about that. I'm stressed because this is all bullshit. I just want my fucking mail. I'm not asking much. Just deliver my mail. Or tell me and everyone here what we can do to get our goddamn mail. Ugh. This is way too much. Boys, I hope you're having a fantastic morning, day, afternoon, evening, night, when you're listening to this. Have a great